In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reminders on Slack. Setting up reminders in Slack is a great way to stay on top of your tasks and ensure that you never miss a deadline or forget an important meeting. Let's dive right in. To start, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the Slack website. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be taken to a page where you can choose your preferred sign-in method. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Google option. Click on the Google icon, which will prompt you to sign in using your Google account. Just enter your credentials and you're good to go. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to the Slack home page. This is your main dashboard where you can access all your channels and messages. Now, it's time to find the specific channel where you'd like to set your reminder. This can be a channel you're part of or even your personal workspace. Click on the channel of your choice to enter the chat interface. The next step is to start typing your reminder message. Click on the message input field at the bottom of the channel page. This is where the magic happens. Simply type "remind" and follow it up with the specifics of your reminder. For example, you could type something like, "Remind @general to submit the report by Friday at 3 p.m. As you type, Slack's helpful reminder format will pop up, guiding you on how to utilize this function fully. Once you're satisfied with your reminder message, hit the Send button. Slack will then process your message and set the reminder as instructed. And just like that, the Slack bot will take over, ensuring you get notified about your task at the specified time. It's as simple as that. Using Slack reminders is an efficient way to streamline your workflow and manage your tasks more effectively. You can set reminders not only for yourself, but also for entire channels or specific team members. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or need a gentle nudge for a weekly report, this tool can be customized to fit your needs precisely. And there you have it, folks. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to effortlessly use reminders on Slack to keep your work organized and on track. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore the many other features Slack has to offer. Happy organizing!